Today is October 15th, 2025. It's 12:30 p.m. and 53 degrees here in Santa Cruz, California, in the mountains of Santa Cruz. We are up in the mountains. There's the hummingbirds. So it is again a soup day. It's chilly outside. It's not bad. But I am going to make butternut squash soup. Now, I don't think I've ever made it. Now, who does not love butternut squash soup? We've all had it at the restaurants in fall, during the fall season. Now, this one I didn't grow, but we specifically bought it. It is an organic, it comes from an organic farm. Here, we went to the grocery store here in Santa Cruz, Wild Roots. And I specifically bought it because I wanted to make it because I didn't grow it. So I am going to save the seed. And I'm kind of going over a recipe. This one's autumn soup, but it does call for butternut squash. So I think I'm going to add my own flair, of course. This is my book that I got from Abbott's for like a couple bucks. It's a used bookstore here in Valton, California. And so I'm just kind of like, how should I make this? And I was thinking, because I want to basically store up some soups for the winter so that we could just pull them out of the freezer. So you can look up all kinds of recipes. This is a base recipe for me, so I kind of look at the ingredients and go, no, I don't want to add that. Like this one calls for apples. I don't have any apples right now. And so I also know you can make butternut squash soup with ginger and coconut milk. So I do have those. I have sage, I have basil. We love spice, so definitely we're gonna put cayenne. And Jim loved the soup so much that I made, he had some for lunch today. I made the, what did I make yesterday? Not the butternut squash. What did I make? Oh my gosh. Anyways, pumpkin. He loved the sausage, so he's like, and the cheese. So now also butternut squash soup, you can make it with milk and you can add bacon crumbles or sausage crumbles. So Jim was like, oh my gosh, we need to add meat to the soups. So yeah, I'm all for that. So I'm just trying to figure out, do I want to make this one coconut and ginger and then add the meat, or milk, heavy cream, and then add the meat? So once I get done with baking this, all of my squashes, I basically bake them for 1 hour at 400 degrees. So my oven is ready to go. It's 400 degrees. I'm gonna go ahead and scoop these seeds out, put salt, olive oil, and put them face down on the cookie sheet. And I do need to go to the store and I want to get some onions. And I'm going to use I'm going through all my stuff, as you can tell. Okay. I am going to, let's see, this is my garlic. So we're definitely going to put garlic on there, but I'll show you. Oh, this is all my soup from last night. I went ahead and labeled it. It's got pumpkin, garlic, rosemary, sage, cheese soup. So we've got soup. We're getting our soup stocked up. I've got more tomatoes coming, so I'm going to do another batch of tomato and garlic soup. Anyways, so if you're not going to grow your food, you can still buy your food. I can tell you though that these are expensive. They're like $7 each. So I won't ever buy them again because I'm going to save my seeds and then clean them and then store them like I did these. So these are dates that we purchased when I save the seed and label them. These are my tomato seeds. So I cleaned and washed those. These are going to go into my she shed out there. That's where I keep a lot of my seeds. And then these ones are, I believe these are butternut squash seeds that I grew. So these are ready to go. Put them in the ground in the spring. And so you, over time, you do save money. I don't want to all year long or all fall, during fall, keep buying these butternut squash for $7 each when I can grow them now, you know, just with one investment. Also, for my friends and family, you all know that I have seeds and I always give them away. So you just got to put them in the ground. Okay, on that note, I'm going to get to work, and then I'll show you part 2 of the soup and how it comes out and what I decided to do. Okay, have a wonderful day, and okay, see you soon.